Thank you for joining us on the Trade Exchange market wrap-up for the 12th of July, 2016. We'll jump right into the markets, into the numbers, folks. So taking a look at on your left-hand side and on your right-hand side in terms of the charts, we did have another update, and we did see strength in most global indices into this morning, and futures were showing positive indication for another update, and we really saw that coming through. So you did see strength in the Dow Jones, S&P 500, the Nasdaq. On European indices, FTSE did finish slightly lower by 0.03%. We did see continued strength throughout other European indices throughout the day. So that's continuation of strength. So we'll see how that translates into tomorrow's trading. WTI, West Texas Intermediate crude, lower this morning. Gold, lower as well. Silver, higher. One of the things that we're keeping an eye on is the yield environment, folks. So we're taking a look at the yield in the 5, 10, and 30 years specifically. In this case, you'll see the number on the 10-year yield of 1.513. The 5-year was above the 1%. Traders are taking a look at the longevity of the safe harbor trade. That's something really important. How that translates into currencies as well, folks. A lot of negative interest rate globally, so a lot of conversation about that and how that translates into U.S. Treasuries. So U.S. dollar index, the DXY currently at 96.507. Higher by 0.07%. We did see some strength in the dollar yen, strength in the pound sterling. We did see some weakness in the euro dollar. We continue to monitor Fed speakers this week on possible mention of policy direction and continued commentary from the post-Brexit environment. Again, it's not just our Fed speakers. We'll continue to see conversation and commentary, not just from pundits, folks, but really from central bankers and politicians. So that's certainly be aware of that and that how that impacts markets. For tomorrow's economic activity, we do have NBA mortgage applications, import and export prices. Always on Wednesdays, we'll have the EIA petroleum oil status report at 10:30, beige book at 2, Treasury budget at 2 p.m. as well. For earnings season, including ANGO and CBSH, CSX, DRWI, and YUM in the afternoon. On insider purchases, we did have OPK and CIGI, 10% owner purchasing over 266,000 shares at $34.60. You do see the option activity on your left here, including ETSY, MRVL, LVLT. I'd like to show you some charts here on level watch alerts from Zozo Level Watch Alerts. One was pre-market on SAGE and one at 1036 on OAS. We'll first show you the SAGE. There it is. We'll bring that into focus there. Actually, that's the OAS. Let's bring in the SAGE. We see the blue arrow there indicating where that came through. Again, that's about 5 minutes before the opening bell. And the alert was for $48.50. So you see that nice volume spike there. Also on OAS at 10:36 in the morning, and you do see it at 12 o'clock. You do see some volume coming through, and you also see a nice price action coming through in OAS. We'll get back to that in just a moment. Continuing on in some syndicates. If you're not aware of what syndicates are, it's just an opportunity for the company to raise money, but certainly feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions on specific syndicates. SDPI, ENLK, and REG, and that's some of the highlighted syndicates from this morning. Folks, if you do not get our syndicate information in the morning, definitely sign up to do so. We'll show you how in just a moment, including EGN, Early Global News. Check out our blog post and our new contributor series in iTunes, podcast, and SoundCloud. So very exciting things going on. We'll show you in just a moment how to reach out to us, folks. So we'll just bring this chart back in just a moment. So if you're looking to reach out to us, of course, this is TradeXchange.com online, and a number of ways that you can reach out to us. So we'll scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll see this is our address, obviously. Give us a call, 203-939-1250. Email the TradeXchange at TradeXchange.com. During trading hours, right over here, you'll see a little bit of a chat bot. You can always reach out to us with any particular questions. And up top, you have the contact us. So numerous ways to reach out to us. So we'd like to show you a couple of things. We do have a free trial, 10-day free trial for full access, or for just forum access. So certainly we have that for you as well. If you do not get the daily morning mashup, highly recommended, folks. This is a great piece of research and really great to get things started for you in terms of upgrades, downgrades, initiates, the day ahead, what we're seeing in overnight markets and coming into this morning, including gainers, losers, and pre-market, company filings, events, annual meetings, syndicates, insider purchases, folks, chock full of information for you, and this is something that we're very proud to present to you folks. So one of the things that we want to say also in EGN, so you see that right there, another great publication to check that out, and we'll show you that in just a moment. It's a really awesome comprehensive way to look at all the headlines coming through on a morning, every single morning. Just an awesome presentation, great document there. And folks, yes, we are mobile, so we are on the App Store, we are on Google Play. So folks, don't be shy and reach out to us, get involved, trade better and stay informed. This has been the Trade Exchange market wrap up. We are built for traders by traders. Wishing you a very pleasant evening.